Gotta get up. Glenn, you gotta get up, buddy. Get up. Get up. Get up. Stop snuggling yourself in. Get up. Pull your arm out. Pull your arm out. Get up, buddy. Come on. I almost don't want you to get up now. Well, this is my life. Get up! Get up! Okay, that's just weird. Why are you purring yourself? Get up. Up. I don't want you to get up either, but you have to. Tap, tap. Get up. Poke. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Poke you in the nose till you get up. Poke you in the belly. Poke you in the back. Poke your tail. Poke your ear. Get up! So fat.
Keep on whacking.
There you go. Get up, but that's not getting up. Get up, my baby boy. Get up. Do you so kindly mind getting up? I was signed out of PlayStation. Sign in. Press X. Get up. I love you. I love you, Glenn, but you gotta get up. Get up! Off of me! Press X. Don't press anything. Will you get up? Will you get up? No, I don't want to get up. Well, you're going to have to get up. But I don't want to get up. Your leg is comfy. Well, I don't care if my leg is comfy. Get up. But I don't want to. But you're going to. Please just let me stay. I want to go to sleep. Yeah, well, I want to go to sleep too. It's about 10 o'clock at night. Let me get up.
Now what, Mommy?
No. Turn off the PlayStation. Wait like a few minutes and then turn it back on. No. Get up, cat. Get up.
You have to get up, Glenn. If you don't get up,
Get up. Lazy, fat cat. Get up. Up. There you go. Get up. Out of my video. Get up. Get up. Okay, Glenn, I'm literally gonna have to get you up. Get up. All right. Love you, Glenn, but you gotta get up, buddy.
There you go.
I don't know, I'm hungry. You there, come here.
What? Ah! What's going on?
Yeah, they have food and water, good. I know what to get to eat. First, I need the bag of cereal. Block it. Ah. Put the milk up here. Alright, now I need a bowl. Ugh. This brain bowl's good enough. Alright, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.